Hello, my name is Kaylee Fensham, and I am the academic principal here at American Pacific International School Don Pen campus. Today, I am joined by one of our grade 10 students, Daroth. Now, Daroth, I believe that you just recently returned from the I-ASEAN Global Youth Camp in Korea. Is that correct?
Yes, indeed.
Fantastic. And can you tell us a bit about the conference, what you did and what you learned?
So I-ASEAN Global Youth Camp is a camp that has a lot of participants with 10 teams from Korea and one team from each of the ASEAN member states. And during the camp, we have to team up with the 10 teams of Korea into creating a project that is solely focused on the SDGs and the global citizenship.
Great. And for those of us who don't know, can you tell us what SGD stands for?
So SDGs basically stands for Sustainable Development Goals.
Amazing, amazing. And can you tell us, I've never been to Korea before, so what was your favorite part about visiting Korea?
During the camp, we were given a time to visit a ancient palace of Gyeongbokgung, if I'm correct. And we get to even enjoy a handbook experience, so we get to even try out handbooks.
Wow, okay. And now I believe that you are about to head off to another competition in August. Can you tell us what that competition is?
Why, yes, I can. The name of this new competition that I will be joining is called Asia Youth Leader 2025, which is going to be held in Japan by the I-ASEAN 1% Club.
Okay, and have you ever been to Japan before?
This is my first time.
That's exciting. And so now this one's a competition.
Yes.
So what is the prize if you win?
So this time, it's not going to be a confrontation, unlike Korea. In Japan, it's going to be a competition. And the first place will be given a scholarship by I-ASEAN 1% Club.
Fantastic. And for any of our students who are listening and watching this and inspired to be like you, how can they get involved in these kind of competitions and conferences in the future?
So how I found these type of competition is very simple, actually. Every year, it's held in between different countries. And how I found them is through a Facebook page. You can find them. You can just go into the Facebook page of the official Ministry of Education. And
Directorate?
Yes, Directorate General of Youth.
Fantastic. Well, from all of us here at APIS DP Campus and the whole community, we wish you all the best at the competition in August, and we hope we get to welcome you back with that prize of the scholarship.
I hope so too.
Thank you.
American Pacific International School, Partnership for Success.